I'm Graham Chalmers, author of Theory Test Study and Revision Guide. The question is, how do you study for the theory test? Well, first of all, don't underestimate the test. About half the candidates do this, and so 48.4% of them fail. It is an increasingly complex and difficult test that must be taken seriously and that you have to study for. So how do you prepare? As with any exam, like at school or university or wherever, the first step is to get hold of the notes. You cannot study from fresh air, you have to have notes. Where do you get notes? Well, you have two choices. The first is to get hold of a copy of the Highway Code or look at it for free online. Work your way carefully through hundreds of pages of material and hundreds of road and traffic signs and make your own notes, summarizing what you think you need to know. This will take you weeks of effort. As an alternative, you can buy a copy of my book, Theory Test Study and Revision Guide, which has everything you need to know condensed into easy-to-read mind map summaries. Either way will work, which you prefer is up to you. Once you have worked through the material in the notes, it is time to do practice questions online. These are available for free at the address below. Do 2 or 3 practice tests and the results will tell you what sections you have not fully understood or fully memorized. Go back to these sections in the notes, get them into your head and make sure you understand the concept. If there is something you don't understand, ask someone to explain it to you or even send me an email and I will explain it to you in a reply. Then go back to the free practice questions and do 2 or 3 practice tests and see if you have progressed. Where you need to get to is where you pass the practice tests every time. You also need to practice the hazard perception video section. Lots of practice hazard perception videos are available free online. This is not something that can be taught in a book. You just need to practice the system repeatedly until you are comfortable with it and pass the practice hazard perception video tests every time. Don't let the hazard perception section depress or confuse you. It is a little strange at first, but as you practice it, you will quickly get the idea. Prepare for the test properly and you will pass first time. Do little or no preparation and you will fail, costing yourself £25 and wasting your time. It is up to you.